Good morning students, welcome to Connur online classes. Here we can discussing the combination as well as permutation concept. Permutation means it's the arrangement of numbers and combination means it's the selection of a number. Here in permutation case, NPR is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. Here in case of combination, NCR is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial into r factorial. Here, in the basis of that concept, take one example, that is here important one. How many words without a meaning can be made from the letters of the word equation? How many words without meaning? Here, meaning or without meaning is also considered. How many words without meaning can be made from the letters of the word equation using each letter exactly once? Using each letters used exactly once. For solution for this one, solution. Consider the given term that is equation. Equation consisting 8 letters. 8 letters here. Given term is equation. Equation consisting 8 letters of the English alphabet. Here, in how many words without meaning can be made from the letters of the word equation using each letter exactly once? Here, consider a equation. Given term is equation consisting of 8 letters. Out of 8 letters, we can choose exactly 8 letters. Here, there are available letters are 8. Out of 8 letters, we can arrange 8 letters. That implies 8P8. 8P8 is our answer. We know that NPR is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. Here, in that case, n value is 8, similarly r value is 8. 8p8 is equal to 8 factorial divided by 8 minus 8 factorial. 8 minus 8 factorial. That implies 8p8 is equal to 8 factorial divided by 0 factorial. We know that the result, that is 0 factorial value is 1. Here, that implies 8p8 is equal to 8 factorial. 8 factorial can be extended as 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 as well as 1. Here our regarding answer is 40320 is our finalized answer. Here, in that way, we can arrange without a meaning of the considered letter equation. Equation consisting of given term is equation. That equation term consisting of 8 letters, we can choose out of 8 exactly 8 letters are, we can choose 8 factor. NPR is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. Here n as well as r value are same. That's why we consider as NPR is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. Here r value is 0. here denominator term is 0. 0 factorial value is 1. That's why 8 factorial extend we get 40 into 0 is our regarding answer. We can take the next problem, that is here on the basis of permutation. Permutation is the arrangement of numbers regarding NPR is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. Here, in how many, on the basis of that, we consider another important problem is how many words with or without meaning. How many words with or without meaning can be made? How many words with or without meaning? With or without meaning can be made from the letters of the word. Can be made from the letters of the word Monday. Monday, assuming that no letters are repeated. No letters is repeated. Consider there are 3 problems belonging that one. Here, how many words with or without meaning can be made from the letters of the word Monday. Here, Monday, the word given term is Monday. Monday consisting of 6 letters. Out of 6 letters, we can choose different concepts belonging to that, assuming no letters are repeated. Yaudi letters are repeated. In that concept, here on the basis of that, consider first problem belonging to that one is 4 letters are used at a time. 4 letters are used at a time. Here, given letter is Monday. Given term is Monday. Here, Monday, consisting of 6 letters. Here, possible letters are 6. Here, out of 6, we can choose 4 letters used at a time. 4 letters are used at a time. Here, we know that NPR is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. Here, given terms are available. Available letters are 6. Here, this is the value of n. Available term is 6. That's why consider the n value is 6. Out of 6 letters, we can choose 4 letters at a time. That's why our value is 4. Substituting in this concept, 6p4. 6p4, that is n factorial means 6 factorial divided by 6 minus 4 factorial. Here, 6 factorial divided by 2 factorial. Here, 6 factorial can be extended as 6 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 factorial divided by 2 factorial. 2 factorial get cancelled. Here, regarding answer is 6 5 4 3. Here, our answer is 6 360. 360 is our regarding answer. Here, how many words with or without meaning can be made from the letter Monday? Here, Monday is a given term. In a Monday, there are 6 letters are there. Out of 6 letters, we can choose 4 letters at a time. That's why we know that NPR is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. Here, given term is 6, n value is 6. We can use the 4 letters are used at a time. That's why 6p4 is equal to 360 is our regarding answer. Here, all letters are used at a time. All letters are used at a time. Here given term is Monday. Monday consisting of 6 letters. Here out of 6 letters we can choose n value is 6. We can choose 6 letters used at a time. That's why NPR, n factorial, n minus r factorial. Here, that's why 6 factorial divided by 6 minus 6 factorial. Here 6p6 is equal to 6 factorial divided by 0 factorial. Here 0 factorial value is 1. 6p6 is equal to 6 factorial. 6p6 is equal to 6, 5, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Here our recurring answer is 720. 720 is our recurring answer. Here all letters are used at a time. Here given word is Monday. Monday term consisting of 6 letters. We can choose n value is 6 as well as r value is 6. Here substituting n and r value in the NPR formula, we get 720 is our answer. Similarly, all letters are used, but first letters is a vowel. Here consider first letter is vowel. Out of 6 letters, here given term is Monday. Monday. Here first letter is vowels. There are 2 vowels regarding to word Monday. Monday term consisting of 2 vowels. Out of 6 letters, 2 vowels are separately. There are 4 letters are used. Here, first letter is regarding to vowel side. Here, remaining 4 letters. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 letters are remaining. First letter is vowels. Here there are 2 possibilities. Here this is the 2 factorial value. Remaining 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 arrangement. That's why 5 factorial. 5 factorial is our value. Here 2 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Here 2 into 120. Here 240 is our regarding answer. Here how many words with or without meaning can be made from the letter Monday, assuming no letters is repeated. If 4 letters are used at a time, that is n value is 6 as well as r value is 4. Here regarding answer is 360. Here all letters are used at a time, 6p6. Our regarding answer is 720. All letters are used, but first letter is vowels. Here Monday consisting of 6 letters. Out of 6 letters, there are 2 letters are vowels. Remaining 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 letters are as it is. Here first boxes we can choose 2. 2 letters are substituting here. Out of 2 letters we can arrange in 2 factorial ways. Here total arrangement is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 factorial is our answer. Here 2 factorial into 5 factorial, answer is 240 is our regarding answer.